Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Nothing is.
Hey guys, so I am on my way to LOL London. Going to be celebrating my birthday in London for the very first time. I've never actually celebrated birthday there, so I'm looking forward to that. This is probably like one of the first times ever that I've like been hella early for the airport. Like I feel so relaxed. I'm not like running around and stressed. I'm just chilling. I've literally like walked into almost every duty-free store there is. Because that's how much time I have on my hands. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm ready. Let's do this. Yes, guys. I am going to be one of those weirdos on the plane today because the last couple times I traveled, I've been sick. Not this time. Hey guys. Tired. Look how oily my face is, you guys. When I sleep, my face gets so oily. And when I tell you I slept this entire flight, like, yeah, I slept the entire flight. And notwithstanding that fact, I'm still falling asleep. Like, every time I get to a stop sign, I'm like... Anyway, I am here. I am about to go see Pencil in a little bit. I asked her to cook me some food, so I'm going to go eat my mama's home-cooked meal. And just like last time, I did not get a chance to do my nails or my feet. I think if I hadn't broken one of them, I would have been able to get away with having the same nail for this trip because they were fine. They hadn't grown out or anything, but I was doing something with my hair, some curly hair I had, and I guess the hair got stuck just underneath like my thumb, and it pulled the whole freaking like layer off, pulled the whole damn nail, whatever the heck it was, off. And so the next day while sitting at work, I just sat there and picked all of them off. So I need to get my nails done again. I can't go into my birthday soiree with nails looking like this. So I am going to do that. If not today, then tomorrow. This guy laid the hell out of my hair, you guys. So I tried someone new for, you guys know I make my own wigs and generally for the most part. And do my own hair for the most part. But when I'm looking for like an extra oomph, I see my girl Bombshell Fash on Instagram. She is a freaking beast when it comes to cutting and styling like your hair, your weaves, your wigs, whatever the case might be. So if I'm going someplace special and I want my hair to look extra good, I'll see her so she can cut it and style it, because I do not cut. I just make the wigs. But this time I wanted to try someone different. So I tried this guy, Fashion Arch, and I think that's his name on Instagram. Stitchy is what he wants to be called, so Stitchy. And I mean, the photos on his Instagram are just crazy. Like, he lays these chicks' hair, the baby hair, he's a beast with that, all that. So I was like, let me try something different. So I went to go see him, and this is a wig. It's not a full lace wig. It's got the full closure in the front, and it's got the tracks in the back. And I felt like it was a little bit on the thin side, so I did bring a bundle of whatever to add to it just for fullness, and he did do it. So I added the color, almost spoiled the damn thing, because on one side, like, I bleached all the way into the roots, so it was looking a little crazy, but he made it work. Yeah, and he installed it, and I freaking love the installation. I love the baby hairs. I'm here for all of it. Like, literally, I can go all the way around. I can flip it on that side, and it still doesn't look crazy.
No, because she's fat.
Pencil says she feels fat, you guys. Anyway, guys, I just had my fish and my food that Pencil made me.
Yes, me too.
Now I'm chilling in her bed with some shoes.
But this will never get last night.
Carmen! Guys, you hear my mom's friend? She said anything she catch now is supposed to do. That's what them going, you know. Watch her.
Cool, but we're not cool enough. We're superstars. We're at the tower.
You're at the top. Mommy, your tower rocking days are over.
Hey, fuck your fuck. What do I call it?
Your tower rocking days are over,
I will
Mommy.
be at the tower, dangerous tower.
Come in. Come in. Your tour rocking days not over. Your tour rocking days are not over.
Just begin.
Oh my God. Enough things are going.
What?
Again. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Wait! Look how mine is.
When the meme supposed to do 40.
Guys, Pencil. So I had all intentions of vlogging today, vlogging with Pencil, doing all that bit, and for whatever reason it just never happened. It didn't happen, you guys. So now I'm back in my hotel and I just wanted to show you guys my views. Look, do you see my views? How beautiful. This is actually a balcony, but I've been trying to fight with the door to open it and I can't, so it's probably best that I not go out there. Anyway, I'm exhausted, you guys. I'm jet lagged. So I'm gonna settle up, try to get some rest, and call it a night. I've been looking for the light in this bathroom forever and I can't find it. Hey guys. Day 2 in London. I literally just came to Mom's house to get a pair of shoes because I packed so horribly this time. I brought 2 pairs of shoes plus the one I wore. I wore a pair of sneakers. I have the other 2 are heels, pumps, so I can't walk around in them all the time. They're for going out. And I want to go get my nails done because I did not do my nails before coming here. And I don't want to wear the sneakers I had on yesterday. Didn't even wear a damn jacket. So hence why I'm wearing the sweatshirt over my clothes. Because I don't have a jacket. And it's freaking cold and rainy and gross. So I came to Mummy's house to get one of her shoes. She's not here. But I'm so tired. I feel like I'm going to take a nap. Look at all my choices, guys. My mama has a problem with shoes. Yeah. And she's got shoes in all them damn boxes as well. All them boxes as well. So these are my choices for shoes. I'm probably gonna just go wear a pair of sneakers because I'm like, I need something comfortable. Something comfortable. These used to be mine, you guys. My mom gave me these years ago, and then I stopped wearing them. She's like, bring them back. See? And I brought them back. You think she's wearing them? No, she's not wearing them. She's not wearing them. Ugh. But yeah, tired, you guys. I'm going to take a nap. Oh, God, I don't know why I'm so tired. Actually, no, I do know why I'm so tired. I went to bed very late last night. Very late. Oh, oh God. Oh, and Mommy's bed is so comfortable, you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna get 2 hours. Then I'm gonna go get my nails done. And then I'm gonna go see babe. Oh my God. See, when it's raining and like cold like this, what else is there to do but like sleep? Like, I feel like that's the best thing to do. Oh, so I have the right idea. Oh my God. Excuse me. Yeah, guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Hey, guys. Oh my God. Woo, that nap was good. I think I napped for about 3 hours, you guys. That felt freaking good. It is now after 2 p.m. I need to get my life together. Ooh, guys, look. There's still food left. When we made fish. Kalaloo and saltfish. And there's food in the pot. I'm not going to eat now, though. I'm going to go, oh, guys, look. And she made me cake! I want to say for my birthday, but no. She knows every time I come, I have to get cake, so. She made me cake. All right, so. Let me find a shoe that I can wear that Mommy won't curse me for stretching out. Oh, God. This lighting is no good. Anyway, you guys. I'm wearing these Ugg boots. See them? I gave them to Mommy like last year. So she can't accuse me of stretching them out because, hello, they were mine. So I'm going to put these on and get the hell out of here. I looked out the window, you guys. It finally stopped raining. Yay! Because I was not looking forward to running around in the rain. Okay. Anywho, I'm wearing Mommy's shoes. I'm wearing Mommy's shoes. She's still gonna fuss at me. She hates when I wear her shoes. Because she said my foot is too broad. Why you wait? Oh, oh, oh God. Guys, because I've been driving a truck for so long, it feels so weird to get into a damn car. They're so low and weird to me. Oh.
Forget to you. Never get your girl. Nothing is impossible, believe. I'm for know them can't stop. If I can do it, you can.
One thing I hate with England is how the car park spots them so small. Guys, look here. Watch here. Look here now. How am I supposed to come out of here now? Oh my God. Oh shit. Alright, let's see. Oh Jesus. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Alright. Okay. So here we go again, you guys. How pretty is that wall art? Anyway, so we're gonna do what we did 2 weeks ago. Go to one nail salon, see whether or not they have availability now, because I need things now. And if they can take me now, I'll go with them. If not, I'm gonna walk across the street, check with the other one, and if they can take me now, I'll go with them. Oh, there's another one over there. I didn't try that one last time. Let's go see. They said an hour, you guys. The first shop I went into said an hour. That is a no. As badly as I need these suckers done, we're not waiting an hour anywhere. Okay? Sorry. The nails are all done, you guys. I love this color. As per usual, they're not able to get an exact match with my toes, but it's close enough. Plus, nobody will be seeing it. Yeah. So, guys, I am still in the mall. I've gotten a backless bra and a couple pairs of stockings because I want to wear stockings tomorrow. From, where did I get it from? Marks and Spencer's, and where else? Marks and Spencer, and I think Debenhams is where I went. And now I'm just looking around. I'm in Zara right now. Zara! Kids, that's the kids section.
Blessings are follow me now. People are on me now. Did I fit on it up? Me couldn't keep the battery low. Blessings are shower me now. Me care my family now. Look how them call hero.